Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete files from iCloud to free up cloud storage space, follow these step-by-step instructions to remove unwanted documents and media from your iCloud account. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer and go to iCloud.com, then log in with your Apple ID and password. Step 2. Click on iCloud Drive to access all files and folders stored in your cloud storage. Step 3. Browse through your files and folders to locate the items you want to delete. Step 4, click on the file or folder you want to remove to select it, or hold Command, Mac, or Ctrl, Windows, to select multiple items. Step 5, click the trash icon at the top of the page or press the Delete key to move selected items to the recently deleted folder. Step 6, to permanently delete files, click on Recently Deleted in the sidebar to view items pending deletion. Step 7, select the files you want to permanently remove and click Delete All, or select individual files and click Delete. Step 8. Confirm the permanent deletion to free up iCloud storage space immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.